In today's ARC Minute, we'll explain what a BVO, amended sale, is and how it can be beneficial to both transferees and employers. BVO stands for Buyer Value Option and is a process in which an employer can pay for an employee's home selling costs and avoid the tax implications to the employee and to the company. Back in the day, an employee would sell their home and their employer would reimburse them the realtor commissions and closing costs. Today, we can reference IRS Revenue Ruling 2005-74, which talks about amended sales and outlines the 11 key elements that, if followed, offers preferential tax treatment to the employee so that the employee may sell the home without being taxed on the realtor commissions and closing costs. How does it work? Step 1. An employee markets their home for sale. Step 2. When an outside buyer comes along and makes an offer, the relocation company steps in and buys the home from the employee. Step 3. The relocation company then turns around and sells the home to the buyer, and the relocation company pays the realtor commissions and closing costs. These costs can be treated as business expenses by the company. Step 4. The relocation company bills the employer the realtor commissions and closing costs that the relocation company paid as the seller. Since the employee never paid any commissions or costs and was never reimbursed anything, the employee incurs no tax burden. It's important to review the 11 key elements or 11 guidelines that the IRS set for people to follow. The important theme of the 11 key elements is that there must be two separate arm's-length transactions. There must be an element of risk. If the deal were to fall through after the relocation company buys the house, there are no do-overs, or as I used to say as a kid, no takebacks. If structured properly, the BVO amended sale process can be a win-win for all. For more information about buyer value option or other relocation needs, please visit our website at www.arcrelocation.com or call us at 866-697-3561. ARC is not a licensed accounting firm or law firm. ARC does not give tax or legal advice. ARC does not take tax positions. Always consult an attorney and/or a CPA for all tax-related matters.